What is going on, friends? This is a video. How long? We've been talking about this video for a while.
Yeah, at least a year and a half, somewhere in there.
It's been a long time. This is Mark with Big Slack Off-Road, and he is all the way up. Wait, you're from the East Coast, I know.
Yeah, we're from Kentucky.
Kentucky, that's a long drive.
It is a long drive.
How long did it take you to get out here?
Well, with the rig that we brought, about 4 days to drive out here.
4 days. At any rate, they just came out here for the Costa Mesa Expo, and they brought 2 of their trailers, and we're going to have a walkthrough video here because many of you have asked a lot of great questions about these big slack trailers, and today we have Mark here before you guys are heading back too, aren't you?
Yes, sir, we are.
That's a long drive. Anyways, so got him up here in Big Bear so we can get a proper walkthrough of a lot of the whys and getting more of a narrative directly from the source as far as why they did what, and to help you guys make educated decisions on this trailer. Mark, you ready for this?
Absolutely.
Heck yeah, I'm going to turn around this camera and let's hear it.
All right, absolutely. So we started this trailer originally as just a very base model wagon because there was a bit of a shift in the market, and we heard a lot about trailers that were too expensive, and even the other one we have, the Slacklander, being too far out of reach for some people. So we said, can we get something to people that they can use for more than one purpose? So we kind of worked, how do we build it? How do we make it so it's cost effective and strong? And this is what we came up with. This is the Slack Wagon. You probably saw our original one that was bright yellow like our Land Cruiser at other shows. That was sort of the test mule to find out, hey, is it strong enough? Is it going to work? Do people like it? And y'all gave us some great feedback at the shows, so thank you. What this is a wagon-based trailer. So it gives you a utility trailer base. On this one here, this is the standard Slack Wagon. You get 48.5 inches wide and about 6.5 feet long inside that box. And inside the box here, you've got different floor choices. But the idea behind this is, hey, we're going to give you a base model trailer for $6,000. You know, that gives you a 2-inch ball, that gives you a leaf strung suspension, and you are ready to go on the trail. If you are a do-it-yourselfer, you can add on your own things. So we've made these 2-inch pockets on the side, which are receiver hitches for pickup trucks at all 4 corners. So you could build your own rack like this if you want it. So you're not stuck buying our stuff or somebody else's stuff. You can do some stuff yourself. But instead of having to restore a military trailer or build one from scratch, you get a super heavy duty trailer now at a low price of $6,000. Then you can do the add-ons to it. But the whole idea was, hey, we give you a good foundation. Now, if you want to buy our accessories, we're happy to sell them to you. And we do some that are custom. If you come up with something really strange, we'll help work with you on it. So starting at the front up here, this one's optioned up with a lock and roll hitch. It comes standard with a 2-inch ball. Our most typical options we see are people using the lock and roll hitch, the tailgate, and the timber and axle suspension. So starting base price is $6,000. As shown, this one's $11,000 just to outfit it. On all the trailers, they come standard with these knuckles now. These are just trailer jack mounts, and what they do is allow you to put stabilizer jacks at all 4 corners, both for leveling and for stabilization. We have this platform up here. It's about 48 by 30 inches wide. This is for putting a spare tire here if you want. We do sell a spare tire mount that bolts to the front, but also allows you to put extra toolboxes, extra propane bottles, fuel cans, whatever else you might want on the front of the trailer. Just that extra flexible space. And this slot and hole pattern is very purposeful. Those ratchet straps you get at Harbor Freight and in Lowe's, they hook right down in here and come up through this hole. So they are designed to use with your ratchet straps, not just some random D-ring points on it. On the front of the trailer also, we have a couple hole pass-throughs here, and that's in case you add your own solar mount system on the front here and want to pass wires through here and mount a battery behind these valence panels here. So you got a lot of options as far as what can I do with this later. As you move further back on the trailer, you'll see that there's recovery points on the bottom. So like many things off-road, your tow vehicle may go over something all right, but your trailer may not run the same line, and if you roll it, you need to be able to recover it, which is critical why we recommend that lock and roll hitch. But this way you can just roll the trailer back over with these recovery points without having to tie anywhere else. Now across the bottom, aside from that, if you buy this timber and axle suspension, it's flat across the bottom. And the timber and axle suspension on it's one of the most common options. You can get it leaf sprung. This is a 3,500 pound axle. Your gross weight on the whole trailer is 3,000 pounds. So we've derated the axle some to make sure that it stands up to the heavy duty usage of this trailer. As it sits right now, this is a 1,200 pound trailer. You buy the base model, it's about 1,000 pounds, which gives you 2,000 pounds of payload, or in this configuration, 1,800 pounds of payload. Most of the time, unless you're carrying water or concrete blocks, you're going to cube out how much you can put on this before you reach that weight. Now going into some more of the options, this cover right here, It's a new option that we brought out to this show. This gives you the ability to seal out some dirt and water elements and keep your stuff safe. So you pick it right up like that, and you've got enough space in here to pick up your big yellow totes and bring them out. And if you want, you can go for the optional tailgate too, that you bring down and you can still access the items. If you don't get the lid, you get a big, basically open bed. So if you don't have a pickup truck and you want this trailer, now it can overland and it can go to the hardware store with you. So you got more than one use for this trailer. It's not limited to just overlanding and off-road. But if you take it to the hardware store, it's a super heavy duty trailer for hauling whatever it is you want to bring home from there. This rack system shown here is designed so that with this cover, you can open it high enough to get in and out and get your stuff. We do offer these in higher amounts, so you can get a 270-degree awning on it, but this is sort of a standard height right here, about 65 inches, so that it's not too high, but not too low. We offer other rooftop tent mounts that bolt to this flange right here if you don't get the lid. You've probably seen those. It shows on our website. There's a 12-inch, an 18-inch up off of this surface here for lower mount tents. Then you get the really high one here also. And just so you understand, we have a smaller one, the Slack Wagon Junior, and a lot of these accessories cross-pollinate between the two. It's the same architecture frame and all, so you can get basically everything shrunk down on the Slack Wagon. There are valence panels on the side here. We call these beauty panels sometimes, but these are just standard panels with geometric designs for mounting things on the back side of it. We also offer molly panels on these. You'll see those are some of our pictures of the green trailer. So those are an upgrade. We also offer some with switch mounts on them. So if you want to add switches and lights to it on your own, you can do that. Obviously, we can offer to do that for you as well. These are stand-on fenders, so you can stand on them, you can sit on them. They are made for weight, just like on our Slacklander. One thing on the back I want to point out is this optional 2-inch receiver. So back here you could put a bike rack mount, an extra basket for more storage. You can put a tire swing out back here, but you have a reset you can get that's for universal usage on the back. These trailers come standard with 32-inch tires, and these are 265, 75, 16s on most of these. These are on timber and axle suspension. You can get up to a 35-inch tire with inside this fender. Depending on whether you order timber and axle-less or you order leaf sprung, we can do the drop and lift spindles appropriately to keep your gap where it needs to be. But understand that if you get taller tires, the whole thing is going to go up in size, so it's going to be harder to load things. All right, folks, we can match a couple different lug patterns. As shown here, this is a 5-on-5 like for a Jeep. We can also do a 6-on-5.5 like you'd have on a Tacoma or a 4Runner.
All right, friends, and there you go, the Slack Wagon by Big Slack Off-Road. Mark, you know, I have to thank you so much for taking moments out of your time and your precious time with your family to come meet with us up here. What do you think of Big Bear so far?
Big Bear is beautiful. I love it here.
So much fun.
See the draw here.
Yeah. So, friends, before we part ways, Mark, if you could, can you expound a little bit for those that want to order one of these? What's the lead time on these? What's the process? If you can share that, and then we'll close this video off.
Absolutely. So right now our lead time is about 8 to 10 weeks. Obviously, if the orders build up, it's going to be longer, but right now we try to tell everybody 8 to 10 weeks. The order processing, you could order this whole thing off of our website. We'd like you to give us a call so we can walk through and build it, make a build sheet with you, get you signed off on it, then we get you through color selection. So that can happen in very short order. Please give us a call.
Actually, I do have one question. So if somebody comes through and let's say they're more budget minded and they kind of get the, I'm going to call it the bare bones Slack Wagon, can they later come back and order additional accessories for it?
Absolutely, you sure can.
Okay, fantastic. All right, friends, and that is all Mark and I have here for you. As always, it is such a pleasure to see you. If you have any questions whatsoever, do me a favor, hit that like button down below, leave a comment, subscribe so we get to see more of each other. And with that said, friends, you get out there and find your adventure.